Got to do with it. Yo, smile. Damn, you ugly. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy ASneakerLife for the one time, aka Mike the Compass, aka Mike, aka whatever you want to call me, you know what I'm saying? So, bro, we got some sneakers in here a little bit early. I think one of them is a few days early, I believe, and the other one is like 3 weeks early, something like that. And I'm geeked, bro. I'm geeked. I feel like it's been a minute. What's the last early sneaker I got? There's just something about getting shoes just a little bit early, you know? So, number one we got in here, a little dent in the box. So this is the Air Jordan 4. We're gonna get right into it, man. We ain't got no time for no games. Like, what's up? What's up with the J's, you know? A lot of you guys have been asking me about these, and I've been wondering myself, especially since the first pictures even showed up of the metallic pack. So one thing that I thought was really interesting is the tongue. Like, this tongue looks terrible. Like, this looks like a grade 0 replica type sneaker, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, this is the real deal. This is what they look like. Huge shout out to the homie FineLine1721 for hooking me up with these in the first place. But yeah, man, for some reason, I don't know why these tongues are so just shaped weird, but it is buttery. Like, this is a soft tongue. I mean, quality's nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's very similar to the Pure Money 4s if you guys have those. I would say expect these to yellow 100%. Let me go grab my Pure Money 4s just to show you an example. And also, like, what I meant by the tongue is you see how most Jordan 4 tongues look, but these are all weird for some reason. These released in like 2016, I believe, maybe 2017, something like that. Obviously, I wore them a lot. Again, I just love white sneakers, and honestly, the 4s are my favorite silhouette of the Jordan, period. I just love this sneaker. But you can see they definitely yellowed. It kind of has like that cream color, and then I don't know what I did here, who really cares, but I just wanted to show you what to expect with all white 4s. They just turn yellow. There's really nothing you can do about it. Personally, I think it gives it character. For it to just stay all white for all those years, that doesn't really make sense to me. That means you didn't wear your shoes. So I really expect for that to happen with these. There is the orange and the green color. I really like the green color. Purple is tough. Like, I personally love the color purple. So I think that's a good look. For some reason, I can see these being like a player exclusive type sneaker or like a celebrity. You know how Jordan Brand loves to do celebrities like that. They can only change the colors. They can't do anything crazy. But yeah, man, I really rock with these. I don't mind the colorway at all. They seem very buttery, super soft. It is your standard Jordan 4. I'll have a full in-depth review, obviously, before the release date. I believe these release on the 18th. Actually, I was wrong. These release on the 20th. 8 a.m. sneakers app. I don't know how limited these are gonna be. I'm gonna do some research and kind of see what I can find out about them. But yeah, here they are. What do you guys think? Metallic 4 is a cop or a drop, keep or sleep? Let me know. All right, so coming in at number 2, this is what I was super excited for, man. Yo, check these out. The Hare Jordan 6. I was ecstatic about these. Like, the box is super fire. This is what I love to see, Jordan Brand. Like, something so simple, man. Just put a carrot on a box and I'm happy, you know? Retail's gonna be $190. This is the Jordan 6 Hare releasing June 5th. Ooh-wee, like the paper. So smart, especially with, you know, the Last Dance going on and us getting to see like behind the scenes of how Jordan was basically shooting all day and then he'd go to the gym at night. They built him that special fire gym. This is, oh man, this is an exciting time. I know like things are tough, but like as far as sneakers and just that passion and that love, like here it is. This is just phenomenal and I love the quality of this. Now, me personally, 6s are not something that I wear all the time. I really just like to collect 6s. Like, I don't know what it is. I can't say there's like 6 that I have that I consistently have worn. Maybe like one time in the last few years. I just like to collect them. I love the way they look. You guys know I still have my Carmines, which supposedly are gonna come out again, but I still got mine on ice and I just love the way they look. It was just a sneaker that I had always wanted as a kid and now I finally got it and I like to look at them. what it is. I can't help it. Maybe I need to get another pair so I can wear it and then just have that pair to just look at. It's weird, but I know a lot of you guys are the same. So yeah, I mean, these don't come out for a minute, but quality is nice. This is one of the nicer 6s that I've gotten. The leather is good. Like, this is pretty good leather. And you know, shout out to the homie Bugs Bunny for the one time. The color scheme, we got the all red. Now, the last time these came out was, I believe, in 2015, and then before that was 92, which is crazy. I was born in 94, so these came out 2 years before I was born. This is the third, or I guess you would say the second edition of it being retroed. And I personally would love to see like the original pair and kind of compare if they stuck to the same color schemes. Is this a little bit different? Is it the same? What exactly do we got going on here? But I'm really ecstatic to have these and just enjoying quarantine and just this year's releases. I really feel like Jordan Brand is doing a great job as far as releasing stuff that we want to see. Like, I don't know. Good job, Jordan Brand. Now, both of these are going to be releasing for $190. What do you guys think, man? Which one would you rather cop? If I gave you $190 right now and you only had a choice to get one of these, you getting this one or you getting this one? Let me know down below in the comments. But this is your boy ASneakerLife. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to shoot me a text if you watched this video. I'm still working on the whole giveaway concept. I'll be texting you guys that link once everything is all settled. Once again, text giveaway, just giveaway. Don't do question marks or capitalization, just giveaway to 303-529-6327. That's gonna put you under my giveaway category, under my community. And yeah, man, thank you guys for watching, bro. Ooh, it's like the old days, bro. This reminded me of 2016. And if you guys wanna cop any sneakers early, you can hit up the homie Fineline1721. I'll put his link down below also, but I'll catch you on the next one.